Greetings everyone, and welcome to another video. Now, today we are going to discuss a brief explanation of the Rig Veda. Okay, you guys. So we're going to be dabbing into a little bit of Hinduism today, Sanatana Dharma. Now, the Rig Veda is one of the oldest known Vedic Sanskrit texts. The text is layered, consisting of 4 texts: the Samhita, the Brahmanas, Aranyaka, and the Upanishads. It is said that the Rig Veda was likely composed roughly between 1700 and 1100 BCE. It is also said that the Vedas were directly revealed to the rishis, who then memorized them in the perfect language Sanskrit. The Samhita is said to be the secret teachings of the universe. The Aranyaka, the book of the forest, and the Brahmanas are the discussion of the ritual. So it seems at that time that the Rig Veda was created, the religion at that time focused on multiple deities and the appeasing of divinities associated with the atmosphere and also the sky. Some noteworthy deities in the Rig Veda include Agni, the sacrificial fire, Surya, the sun, I apologize if I mispronounced that, Varuna, the guardian of the cosmic order, and of course Indra, the king of heaven or the gods. The Rig Veda also offers a glimpse at the life in those times. It addresses not only hymns to certain gods, but also rites of marriage, animal sacrifice, soma sacrifice, as well as cremation rites. The Rig Veda Samhita is known as the core text, and it is a collection of 10 mandalas or books with 1,028 hymns. And the contents in these books discuss things like cosmology, speculative and or philosophical questions, the origins of the universe, as well as the nature of the divine. All right, now ladies and gentlemen, what I'm going to do, this will be the start of a new series also. I'm going to go over the entire Rig Veda, okay? Like I said, there's 10 books and over 1,000 hymns, okay? So in this video, I'm going to do book 1, and I'm going to do the first 5 hymns, okay? Now, hymn 1 is to Agni, 2, Vayu, hymn 3, Ashvins, hymn 4, Indra, and hymn 5, Indra. That's also Indra. Now I want to go back, you guys, and let you know that in hymn 3, the Ashvins, because I haven't described that in the video yet, also pronounced Ashvins. Now, these were twin deities associated with dawn, medicine, and the sciences. All right. Now, in the Rig Veda, they are described as youthful, divine twin horsemen. Okay. Now, I just want to give you guys a backstory on those, and remember that's the 3rd hymn. Now, what I'm going to do now is start. Okay, we're going to start with the first hymn, and the first hymn is dedicated to Agni. Okay, the god of fire, or also the sacrificial fire. Okay. Now, in hymn 1, it goes, it's 9 verses. Okay. Now it begins as, I loud, Agni, the chosen priest, God, minister of sacrifice, the Hotar, lavishes of wealth. Worthy is Agni to be praised by living as by ancient seers. He shall bring hitherward the gods. Through Agni man obtaineth wealth, yeah, plenty waxing day by day, most rich in heroes, glorious. Agni, the perfect sacrifice, which thou encompassest about, verily go to the gods. May Agni, sapient-minded priest, truthful, most gloriously great, the God come hither with the gods. Whatever blessing, Agni, thou wilt grant upon thy worshipper, that Angiras is indeed thy truth. To thee, the speller of the night, O Agni, day by day with prayer, bringing thee reverence we come. Ruler of sacrifices, guard of law eternal, radiant one, increasing in thine own abode, be to us easy of approach, even as a father to his son. Agni, be with us for our will. Oh wow, you know what, ladies and gentlemen? Instead, because I don't want to run this video too long, we will actually stop at the first hymn. Okay, the first hymn, once again, was dedicated to Agni. All right, now, that's all we're going to do for this video. Oh my goodness, make sure you guys stay in tune because we have a lot more to discuss. All right, so what I wanted to do was give you a brief explanation, a brief description of the Rig Veda before we dive down the rabbit hole, okay? Now, I hope you guys have a great day. This is Articles of Reality. Stay tuned. Peace and love.